Hey, Andrea with Andrea Miller Group. I'm here at my newest listing here in Plano, 75025 in Whiffletree. Goes to Matthews Elementary and Plano Senior. Come on, let's take a look. This house is over 4,300 square feet, has a guest bedroom down, dedicated office, master on the back with a gorgeous view of the pool, and upstairs are 2 bedrooms, game room, and media room. Can't wait for you to see it. This media room has a built-in theater system that is already set up for a modern-day TV, perfect for watching all of your favorite movies. Right off of the media room is the game room. You can rack them, or you could turn this into another bedroom because it has a full bath. Texas summer is upon us. We have a great pool for you guys to come jump in, and built-in outdoor grill, or just relax in the shade. Going live on Thursday with open house this weekend. Call, text, or email Andrea at Andrea Miller Group.